How do you resize a video on the Android phone but without losing the quality? Let me explain it, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So instead of the gallery, you can definitely check out your situation, like by opening up the video of your choice and seeing if there are like any toggles available, right? Because you can of course go to the edit mode and see if you can kind of like rotate the video or make some changes to it. In my case, there isn't really much in that regard, so I'm gonna need to use a third-party app. And the best one for this purpose, if you ask me, is one called the CapCut, which you can get for free and use for the most part. So this is what it looks like. And the point is that in here, you can import the video and make some changes to it, right? So whatever the video is about, you can definitely like bring it in here into your editing timeline below. And you can make some changes to it, like you can definitely cut out some of the parts, you can zoom in on the video, but most importantly, you can click on the aspect ratio and resize it from the vertical, for example, to horizontal or square video, right? And like zoom it in, or choose it to be the horizontal one, however you like it. And that's how you can resize the video, but without losing the quality. Means that we exported in the settings and in the resolution that it was before. So when I come back to the gallery, you're gonna notice that this video, which I was working with, I believe it was this one. Yeah, you can see that this one is in the 1080p resolution, so it's like the full HD. And the point is that we also have to export it in that resolution. So when I click on this button, you can see that it also gets exported in a 1080p. But if it was higher, make sure you slide it to 2K/4K and also play around with the frame rate to actually end up with the same quality which you were working with before. And that's how you're going to end up having the same quality of the video, just by exporting it through these settings, but also changing the size, aspect ratio, or adjusting some other things, depends on what you want. So let me know in the comments below if it worked out well for you. Subscribe and I'll see you later.